Today, we're going to create a consistent character AI video, and we'll do it in a simple and easy way using 2 free websites. In this 7-minute video, I'll walk you through a complete course: how to generate images, how to generate audio, how to create AI videos, and how to edit everything together. This is a complete guide. Just watch till the end and you'll understand every step. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry. Everything is explained clearly. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Alright, let's get started. Here's how to make your own AI video step by step. Step 1. First, open ChatGPT and type in the prompt exactly as shown on the screen. I'll give you my YouTube description to use as the prompt. It's a very powerful prompt for creating a consistent character. After that, just paste it in. A full story will automatically be generated. You can also edit or change the story if you want. For example, you can switch the setting from a boy in the forest to a boy in the city. You can even create your own unique story using your imagination. Just copy and paste the prompt. I'll also add the YouTube description below so you can copy and use it easily. Now, both the story and the prompts will be generated automatically. I'll give you the prompts as a YouTube description so you can easily use them. All you have to do is copy the prompt that appears and paste it wherever you want. That's it. Simple and quick. Step 2. Image generator, Leonardo.ai. Now we'll use Leonardo.ai, which is a great website for generating images. Open the website Leonardo.ai, choose the image size, select 16:9 YouTube size. Then choose the Phoenix 1.0 model. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt that was used for the story and paste it into Leonardo.ai. After a short wait, the image will be generated. You just need to follow what I'm doing on the screen, step by step. I will copy my prompts from ChatGPT and paste them one by one into Leonardo.ai. For every part of the story, I'll paste the related prompt. Now look, the image has started generating, and it's amazing! The character is consistent, and the style looks awesome. Let me tell you a bit more about Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is a powerful tool for generating high-quality creative images from text prompts. To get the best results, use descriptive and vivid words. Mention colors, lighting, mood, style, like cyberpunk or watercolor, and specific details. Now, all my images are ready. I've successfully generated all the images for my story. Each one looks amazing and matches the character perfectly. Step 3. Generate audio. To generate audio, I'll use a website called Love AI Voice. First, search for Love AI Voice and open the website. Then, I'll copy my prompt, script or dialogue, and paste it into the website. You can also choose any voice you like from the available options. After that, click on Generate and the audio will be created. Besides that, there's another great website for generating AI voice. It's called OpenAI TTS, text-to-speech. Go to the OpenAI TTS website. You'll see many voice options. Choose any voice you like. Then paste your prompt text into the input box. Click on Create Speech and your audio will be generated. Now, as you can see, the audio has been successfully created. Step 4. Video generation. Very important step. To generate the final video, I'll use 2 amazing websites, Hailuo iPixaverse AI. These 2 platforms are great for creating high-quality videos. Using Hailuo I, when you log into Hailuo I for the first time with your email, you get 1,100 free credits. If you use it daily, it gives you 100 free credits per day. With these credits, you can create your own video using AI. Using Pixaverse AI. This website gives you 60 free credits every day, which lets you make up to 3 videos daily. If you use 2 Gmail accounts, you can make up to 9 videos in a day. Why use both? we use both websites to get extra free credits. This way, we can create more videos without paying. With 2 Gmail accounts, you get 120 credits on Pixaverse double credits on hairstyle. Now let's begin. First, open hairstyle. Click on Create Video. Upload your images and everything as you want in your video timeline. Then click Generate, and your video will be created. Now I'll start uploading the images and adding prompts to generate the video. First, I upload the first image. Then I add this prompt. The boy inserts the key into the door. After that, I click on 30 for durational frames, and the video will start generating for that scene. Next, I upload the second image, paste in the next prompt, again click 30, and it will begin creating the next video scene. Then I continue. I upload the third image, type this prompt. The boy is using a glowing keyboard and the rabbit is talking. Click 30 and that video clip will start generating too. This is how I keep going, uploading images one by one, adding matching prompts and clicking 30 to create each scene. Now I'm opening Pixaverse AI to generate more video clips. I upload an image. You can see this on the screen. After uploading, I paste this prompt. The boy is walking with a flower in his hand and the rabbit is also walking. Right away, the video starts generating. And as you can see, it's looking really good. Next, I upload another image. Then I paste this prompt. The boy is moving his neck and feeling surprised. I click Create and the video begins generating again. If you want, you can create videos just like the ones I'm making, using these same prompts. Now you can see that my videos are being generated on both websites and they're turning out great. Final step. Now all the videos are ready. You can watch them and download each one. After downloading, I'll open CapCut to edit the videos. You can edit your video however you like. Make it fit your style and preferences. I personally use CapCut because it's easy and powerful, so that's why I'm using it here. My video is now complete. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you found it helpful. Next time, I'll bring another cool method for you. Thanks for